Hello, welcome to another video tutorial, and today we'll be writing a function that accepts two numbers and swap the value of those given two numbers. So for example, the function to accept a is equals to 5, b is equals to 2, then after swap a should be equal to the value of b, which is 2, and b should be equal to the value of a, which is 5. Alright, let's define the function. So I'm going to define my function. I'll call it swap num. Swap num. The swap num accepts two numbers, a of int and b of int. Okay, the function should return num. Alright, so to swap this variable, I need a temp variable. So let me just declare my temp variable. My temp variable will hold the value of a. Since I have hold the value of a, I will assign the value of b to a. Then lastly, I will assign the value of b to temp. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to print the result before the swap and after the swap. So let me just write a print statement here. Print before swap, a is equals to a, and same thing for b. B is equal to what? B. I'm going to copy this line and put it after the swap so that we can see the result in the console. So this should be after swap. After the swap. Alright, so let me save and run this function. We need to invoke this function. For that, I will log the result in the console. Oh, sorry. I thought I was writing JavaScript. Alright, so I'm going to call the function swap num. So the value of a, let me pass 1, and the value of b, let me pass 6. So let me save and run. I think everything looks good. Let me run this program. Let me expand the console so that we can see our results clearly. Okay, so if you look at the console, before the swap, a is equal to 1, and before the swap, b is equal to 6. After the swap, a is now 6, and after the swap, b is now 1. Alright, there is another way we can swap these numbers. It's a single line approach. Let me just duplicate this function. I'm going to duplicate this. Right, so I'll call this swap num2. So instead of using temp variable, let me remove this. What I will do is I will set a to the value of b, which a and b equal to, which is a is equal to b and b is equal to a. That is all. Let me remove this space. Give this space. That is all we need to do. So now we need to invoke this function. This is swap num2. Let me differentiate the inputs 4 and 35. Save and let us run this function. You can see before swap a is 4, and before swap b is 35. After swap a is 35, and after swap b is 4. Thank you very much for watching. That is all for this tutorial. I will see you in another video. Thank you.